Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to check out STX cryptocurrency. Wow, big pump on this daily time frame. We're up 18.53%. You can see market cap is now back up to $658 million as well. The volume here is just crazy. Look at the surge of volume. We've seen $204 million over the last 24 hours, which has resulted in this really big price pump. So will there be sustenance with this pump, or is it going to be a short-lived dead cat bounce? We're going to have a look at a bit of technical analysis on this project today, as well as some crypto news. If there's stuff you like, do subscribe to the channel, as I will be sticking here throughout the entire bear markets. Now we can see on the all time frame, STX was actually once upon a time all the way up at $2.90. So we're trading at a very undervalued price. And this price structure, price levels, is a bit of a blast to the past, really, around last summer of 2021. What else is going on in the markets? Well, we can see Bitcoin is up 3.7%, Ethereum up 10% in anticipation for its new Grey Glacier update on the 29th of June. We've also got Dogecoin doing really well, TRX and some other blue chip projects. Basically everything on this weekly time frame in that green column there is doing really well. So the extreme fear did once again serve as a good opportunity to grab some crypto. So let's have a look at STX today, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and let's crack on with it. Let's make some shmoney. Right, here we go. So what I'm seeing is, basically looking at this chart right now on the daily time frame, is some things are very similar. We were oversold in this position here on the 21st of June. I'm just going to throw in a little vertical line right there. Extreme fear in the market, and of course we had Terra Luna FUD. Then we had the Bitcoin capitulation through the 200-week moving average. So these are both, well, all three of these green lines are oversold and extreme fear territories. So this, basically the $0.5 level, was a key area of support. Well, it was resistance, but we've flipped it into support now, which does look quite good. And here we are trading right now. We've had a big blast to the upside, as you can see. Nice pump on this daily time frame. We're going to check it out right now. It was a 42% pump to the upside, but we are getting that slight pullback now. Looking like we just come down to that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level right there. Clearly we were in a big ascending triangle, as you can see. Higher lows, and also basically some lower highs, so more of a symmetrical triangle, but it did look very bullish, and all this volume is just crazy right now. Now what I want to show you on the 30-minute time frame is actually the impulses here, and the way that they've perfectly hit that 0.618 Fibonacci every single time. You can see 0.618 swing high to swing low, then we have the next swing high to swing low, and you see a 0.618 Fibonacci written in once again. And then guess what, guys? Yeah, exactly what I'm gonna say to you is we got that 0.618 Fibonacci retracement right there once again. So can we see another impulse wave? If we did, I'd be looking at the 0.59 to $0.62 level for the next impulse wave to the upside. If we lose the support on this descending triangle, I would be looking at this swing low here at 0.47 and also 0.46 as potential buyback in zones. So it's quite exciting. We're seeing a lot of momentum here for STX, looking like we're trying to break out. As I speak, we're breaking out. Oh, look at this. Come on, STX is breaking out, everyone, on that resistance trend line. Can we see a bit of momentum? Is it going to push through? Oh, we're getting a bit of a reversal. It's just holding back. Yep. Oh, there we go. We're back in. Things are looking good. Momentum to the upside. Are we going to see that $0.51 any moment now? Any moment now, guys. Oh, wait for it. No, it's not going to happen. I'm not going to commentate because it could take a while. Oh, it's going to happen. Here it is. What we're looking at for. There it is. I mean, there's the candle on the 5-minute time frame. It does look like we might get a breakout, but we could still see a reversal. So let's not get excited too quickly anyhow. So basically, I'm just looking at these price levels in the short-term action. Now for the long term, what do I think can happen? Well, like I say, we're back in this extreme fear, undervaluation, potential reaccumulation range. And on the Bollinger Bands, I mean, look at that. We're right at the top. That's why we saw that short opportunity. That's why we got that pullback. But we are above the 20-day moving average, which is the orange line here. You can see historically every time STX is above the top line on the Bollinger Bands, we do get that pullback, as you see. But on the contrary, every time we're underneath, we're getting the reversal to the upside. So right now, it looks like we're just in nice consolidation. We've got this pump, which could be the beginning or the inception of a new uptrend for this project. So I'm hopefully looking out for those price levels. Now, if we take away the Bollinger Bands, previous major swing high was at $1.58 on the 5th of April. So if we use this swing high down to the local low, we can see that we'd be working our way up to at least the $0.6 level, our first Fibonacci extension or level of resistance that we'd be aiming for on this particular occasion. As for price targets in the next crypto bull run, of course, it's very easy to speculate and just come out with any numbers, but usually we look at pragmatic targets like this. For example, if we were to use this swing high here down to swing low, you can see we came almost up to the 1.272. Now on this particular occasion, if we had a long accumulation phase for a crypto winter, we'd be looking at between $4 and $5 for our future price targets by, say, 2025. That's what I'm looking for anyway. And again, you can see this particular pattern when you're, for example, using this swing high to swing low. We came way above the 4.236, but of course the market capital was so much lower, so there's more space to move. With Stacks currently just having a $658 million market cap, we can easily still see a 10x in the price. So $5, certainly a pragmatic level here for Stacks. If you do want to grab some Stacks today, make sure you do use the link down in the description below, or even if you want to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, because I do believe now is thoroughly a good time. Not financial advice, but this is where I am loading up slowly but surely. Also looking at the Bitcoin price action, you can see we lost the 200-week moving average, which is this blue line right here. And historically, when we lose this, like here and here as well, you know, this is 2017 bear market. And here was the COVID-19 March 2020 crash. Each yielded great opportunity and returns following. So I'm not saying we're going to see a parabolic rally, but from that 17.3k level, I mean, you're already up $4,000, and many are anticipating a pump to at least around the $24,000 before seeing rejection and maybe more continuation to the downside. I mean, even the Bitcoin rainbow chart right now is basically reflecting that we are in a fire sale, so we could still see a really, really nice pump from this particular level. And for long-term hodling, you know, every time you're in this blue band, it has paid off over the long term. So we could basically be imitating a 2015 where we were overextended and then a long crypto winter. So we could just trade sideways at the $20,000 to $30,000 level for a long time before the next bull market, which could take us up to $200,000. You never know, never know. So what do we want to explore now? A little bit of crypto news. Small time investors achieve the one Bitcoin dream, because Bitcoin is now, guess what, becoming affordable. And what's important is actually the Glassnode data. Love it. People getting excited about their 1+ Bitcoin. As you can see, was it here on Reddit? I finally did it. Operation One Whole Coin is now complete. Congrats, buddy. Congrats. Now, why is this important? Well, if we look at the Glassnode data here, between June 15 to June 25, the total number of Bitcoin wallet addresses holding more than one Bitcoin grew by 873, according to the Glassnode data. And you can also see Google searches for Bitcoin dead hit all-time highs over the weekend. Again, another potential indicator that we're in a real peak of a bear market. So, of course, this can go on much longer, much longer, to be honest. But what we do know is that all this fear and greed is lingering, and the whales want that. The news wants you to be terrified. What else have we got? Crypto.com app to accept Apple Pay for crypto purchases in the US. For now, the payment option is only available in the US. To use a new payment option, users will need to first add their debit or credit card to the Apple Wallet on their iPhone. From there on, Apple's payment app can easily be used for crypto purchases, the announcement said. So awesome global news right there. Really, really easy. It's going to get more people using and believing in cryptocurrency. So remember, guys, we're back in that green and blue ribbon, so it's looking like accumulation, buying, and then really undervalued cryptocurrency. If you want to grab more of that, click on down below to that link, grab some crypto today. Don't be shy as well, head into my Discord channel. As you can see, got a really nice community over here. We're always talking about crypto, DeFi, and much more. Also, get yourself into the Telegrams in the description too. Click on through to the crypto trading and also the crypto news and insights Telegrams, because basically we're going to help you find the right research and save you the time, meaning you can get on with other things in your days whilst also prospering from relevant, trending, and key cryptocurrency news. Just want to say thanks for checking out the video, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment saying, I I watched all of this. If you watched everything till the end, just say, I watched until the end. I just want to know how many people are still watching these videos, even throughout these bear markets. I mean, don't get me wrong, bear markets are boring. Nobody really searches crypto anymore because things are just looking stagnant. Anyhow, I'm going to do my best to stick around and provide you with the best news, the best analysis that I possibly can. And if there's anything you need, do either just message me in the Discord, comment down below, or just leave suggestions. And I appreciate that. See you guys.